Smart Python projects, PyBits.
Want to save a video from a URL using Python? It's super easy with the DLP library. Just install it using pip install DLP. Then write a few simple lines of code, enter the video URL, and Python will download it for you automatically. In just seconds, your video is saved and ready to use. Follow PyBits for more smart Python projects like this. This imports the DLP library, a powerful tool for downloading videos. Creates an empty dictionary of options. You can add custom settings here later, like format or download path. Starts the actual download of the video using the given URL. Prints a confirmation message once the download finishes successfully. I've pasted the link to the capture project video right here. Subscribe for more cool Python tricks. Learn smart Python projects only on PyBits. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe and keep coding. More Python magic coming soon. Subscribe now. If you love Python, you'll love PyBits. Subscribe.